Welcome to the future of skin and body care. In this video, we reveal how cutting-edge ultrasound technology is transforming skin and body care as we know it. Get ready to discover the machine that's changing the game for beauty salons and spas worldwide. The layered anti-aging machine is designed for professionals who demand efficiency, precision, and exceptional results. Equipped with two ergonomic handles offering dual frequencies, 3 MHz and 10 MHz for the face, with 20 preset treatment modes, the machine simplifies skin care by addressing wrinkles, scars, and eczema without complicated settings. The 10.1-inch display offers easy readability. What makes our layered anti-aging machine stand out? Equipped with dual frequencies, 3 MHz and 10 MHz for the face, and 1 MHz and 3 MHz for the body. This machine automatically switches frequencies to precisely target different layers of the skin. The machine brings more than that. By reaching deep into the skin tissue, ultrasound stimulates blood circulation and metabolism, delivering vital nutrients where they're needed most. The result? Boosted cell regeneration and collagen synthesis that make the skin firmer, plumper, and more elastic. And it doesn't stop there. Ultrasound promotes the production of collagen and elastic fibers, the key components of firm, youthful skin. Efficiency meets profitability with the layered anti-aging machine, designed to empower your salon or spa to achieve more with less. With its advanced technology, the machine helps reduce operating costs by delivering fast. Set competitive prices that reflect the advanced capabilities of this device, giving your clients outstanding value while boosting your revenue. Flexible care pricing provides exceptional value to your clients while significantly increasing your profit margins. The face handle brings the same innovation to facial care, operating at 3 MHz and 10 MHz. The body handle is your go-to tool for transforming skin on larger areas. With dual frequencies of 1 MHz and 3 MHz, this advanced technology works to firm, lift, and sculpt the skin, delivering visible improvements your clients will love. The result? Skin that's brightened, plumped, lifted, and firmed, revealing a rejuvenated. Why choose this layered anti-aging machine? Choosing the layered anti-aging machine means choosing a business model built for success. With less investment, you can access cutting-edge technology that delivers higher returns and results that are truly unparalleled. It's not just about delivering premium skincare. Visit our website to learn more and explore how this revolutionary device can elevate your business. Stay connected. Follow us on social media for updates, tips, and success stories from professionals just like you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.